As you add content to your worksheets, text, numbers, dates and times, formulas, functions, you're going to need to edit them. After all, nobody's perfect, and information changes over time. The simplest way to do it is to just retype whatever's in the cell. Just click in the cell you want to edit and type the new content. This can be to replace one name with another, to enter a different amount or a date, anything. Even if you only wanted to fix a small typo, it can sometimes be easier and faster than editing the content in the cell. For example, I typed June into this cell and meant to type July. It's faster to just select the cell and type July. If, on the other hand, where I typed first quarter sales and should have typed third quarter sales, it's easier to just use the formula bar, select the word first, and then type third to replace it. So each situation will require a different editing solution, but now you'll know what your options are. So to edit a single cell, you can just click once in the cell to select it and then type the replacement content. You can also edit the cell directly on the formula bar, selecting the cell and then using your mouse and/or the backspace and delete keys to edit the content there. Here I'm correcting the spelling of a word in cell B11. You can also double-click in the cell to activate your cursor there and use the mouse to select just part of the content and correct it, and/or use the backspace and delete keys to edit the content right in the cell itself. Here, I'm editing the title in cell A1 to remove the word division, replacing that with department sales, and then removing the word where it appears a second time after the word by. To edit cell ranges, the same method you would use to do the initial data entry into a range of cells works too. If I want to change the series of names from Mary, Bob, and Susan to Jim, Ellen, and Sam, I can select the range and type my replacement, pressing the Enter key after each new name is typed. I can also select any range of cells, press Delete, and while the range is still selected, type new values into each cell and press Enter to move to the next cell in the range. Here, I'm changing the names in the European sales department to Ian, Marcella, and Rosa. You'll learn more about editing your worksheet content in terms of its appearance and functionality by applying various types of formatting in our other videos. But for now, you can update and correct the content of any cell in your worksheet easily.